Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's episode because we are going to do an unboxing, and of course, this is one of my wishlist bag. It is from Coach. Honestly guys, I have been hunting this bag for over a year now. Initially, I really don't wanted to pay full price or retail of this bag. Unfortunately, I never got this on sale and I have just to let go of it and just purchase this bag because that's how much I really wanted to add it to my collection. So if you want to find out what is this Coach bag that I got, and of course I'm going to share everything to you, make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us do the unboxing. So this is more of a reveal. I already know what this is. So my friend actually hand carried this one from the US, from Las Vegas, Nevada. So when he gave this to me during our fashion show, I immediately opened this because I really wanted to check this bag. So are you ready? Do you have any guesses what Coach wishlist bag I got here inside this paper bag? So let us do the reveal. Then I'm going to share a little bit story of afterwards. So this one, this is a retail bag, but I think he purchased this one from a Coach outlet store. So it was purchased full price as mentioned earlier. So honestly, I have been hunting this bag for more than a year now. I've been checking every time that whether this bag would go on sale or not. Unfortunately, I did not see this bag to go on sale on Coach website or even on, like for example, there are other retailers like Nordstrom, Amazon. So let us do the reveal. So here it is. So we have the dust bag. So this is, let me also share this dust bag guys, because this dust bag, this is the first time that I have encountered this kind of dust bag from Coach. It's like a thicker fabric from Coach. So it is engraved, and we have this one. How gorgeous. It's not the usual silk. So here it is. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here she is. So you have already seen her. So this is a tiny cutie. So this is the Tabby top hand. Oh no, sorry guys. This is the Tabby 12. So here she is. The color is noir and the hardware is silver. So here she is. If you are not familiar, let me just give you a spin. One moment. So here she is. So according to this one, so that is the front. Let me just open. According to this one, so this is the Tabby bag. Genuine pebbled leather. So let me just give you a quick spin first. So this is the front. So she is the exact replica of the Tabby bag, the OG front. And then of course with the side, so this is the updated version, because with the updated version we're going to see this. And how cute is this teeny tiny Coach tag over here. So this is the back. So the back, so again as a micro version, she still has this very cutesy pocket on other side. And then of course she comes with this leather top handle that you can fully detach. It comes with the silver clasp over here that has engraving of Coach. And then once you open, oh wait, so this is the logo of Coach. So no leather covering, which is I really love. So once you open, it is magnetic. And then we are going to see that it's engraved with the Coach Tabby. Can you see guys? Coach Tabby pebbled leather. So the inside is made of fabric. And then here, so how many compartments? So we have 1, 2 main compartments. And then here up front, so we have the slip pocket, another slip pocket over here. Then we have a zippered compartment. And then at the back, so what's this? So in here on the inside, we have this. So just in case you are interested, I'm going to put it here. You can take a screenshot of this one. Anyways, guys, I believe this is still available at Coach websites and any Coach retailer. So that is that. And then of course, I purchased this one, or I had my friend purchase this one in the US, and this is the price. It's $195 USD before tax. And the reason why I had this purchase in the US because I have been constantly checking this bag, as mentioned a while ago. Every time I would be going, so when we visited Hong Kong, I checked this one, and also this is available here in the Philippines. Unfortunately, the price of this one here in the Philippines is really expensive. So I told myself, if I'm not going to get it in the US, I might as well forget getting this Coach Tabby 12. So luckily, I have two friends. So I have one friend, so she now lives in the US. And she's coming home here in the Philippines for you know, a little vacation. Unfortunately, she wasn't able to buy me one. Then I had another friend. He visited US with his family, and I asked him if he could purchase this for me. And yeah, so there. So here is the history. So officially, guys, I think I am naming this bag Nevada because she was purchased from Las Vegas, Nevada. I would be reminded what city this was purchased from. So as you can see, I still haven't removed the stuffing. So here's on the inside, and then of course, as you can see, there is the Coach creed or story over there. And then of course, this bag comes with a detachable crossbody strap. So this crossbody strap, if you would like to know, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments over here. So definitely you could wear this one as a longer crossbody or maybe even as a shorter cross or shoulder bag. So let us do a little bit of comparison. So honestly, guys, before that, I would also like to share the reason why I am so in love with this. Wait one moment, guys. Okay, there. So the reason why I am so in love with this bag is, of course, you know, guys, I am such a huge fan of the mommy and baby bag trend, and since I already have my Coach Tabbies over here, I would be able to use it. That's what we are going to do after this. I am so happy that finally I was able to get the Coach Tabby and add her to my collection. Now let us do maybe a bag comparison with my other Coach Tabbies, just in case you are interested in purchasing this Tabby 12. Alright guys, so let us do a bag comparison with my other Coach bag, just in case, again, if you are interested in purchasing the Tabby 12. Honestly guys, I highly recommend that you purchase a Tabby 12 because this is not just a bag charm, this is an actual bag that you could use together with your bag. It would be an added accessory, and at the same time you could put stuff in it. So later we are going to do what fits inside. So this is my soft tabby messenger bag. So this is size 25 or 26 centimeters. It's the same size as the regular Coach Tabbies, as you can see. So this is how I am planning to use my Coach Tabby from now on. What do you think, guys? How cute. So you could put her like this, or you could put it like this as a mommy and baby tandem. So let us compare with the Coach Quilted Tabby size 26. So let me just get her. One moment. So this is the Coach Tabby Quilted Tabby size 26. So I'm just praying, guys, that they make a Tabby 12 of this size, because that would be so amazing. Because I have tried this one and this one at the store. I don't think they go well together. I think it is best that you use the Tabby 12 with this, you know, this kind of bag with the top handle as well. So let me get my Tabby top handle 20. I think she also looks best. One moment. Alright, so guys, this is now the comparison with the Coach Tabby top handle 20. So this is 20 centimeters, as you can see. So I have just detached the top handle from the Tabby 12, and then I have attached it to the top handle like this. So again, it is very beautiful using it as a bag charm. So I was able to try this combination at our Coach store here, but I think the combination that I was able to try was the chalk colorway. So my friend was asking me when he was purchasing this at Nevada store whether I wanted the noir, this colorway, or the chalk colorway. So initially I was thinking, I think the chalk or white colorway would be a good pop on my bag, and however the hardware of that one is brass or gold, and I was thinking to myself, I think I would not be a good, you know, I'm not really careful with light colored bags, especially white or chalk colorways. So I was thinking maybe if I'm going to purchase that one, I might regret it in the future because of color transfers and whatever. And now looking at the noir or black colorway of the Tabby 12, I think I made the right decision. Plus, just look at this one, guys. Silver hardware, silver hardware. What do you think? I'm really so excited. And of course guys, as mentioned, aside from using this one as a bag tag, since this one came with the detachable crossbody like this, so for example, for evening events or parties, or maybe as a catch-all, so initially you could use this as a catch-all on your big bags, and then of course at inside the office, if you want to like maybe run, you know, around the office without carrying your big bag, then maybe you could just carry this one and attach the longer crossbody bag or strap. If I have a photo and video here of me trying this one, of course definitely I'm going to share it here. So now let's move on to what fits inside. I'm sure you guys are excited to see how much we could fit inside the Tabby 12. Alright guys, so let us convince ourselves even more that this is such a good purchase. I'm going to share to you what fits inside. So these are the normal stuff that I will carry with me. So of course I have my YSL card holder. So this is a little big, so I'm not sure if this could fit inside. So no, definitely not. But I think if I would be removing my credit cards or IDs, then definitely I could slip it inside any of these compartments. So what else? So definitely, of course, I have my compact powder over here. This is by Maybelline. So I need this one every time I go out. So, oh my God, no, it's no, oh no, so it would not, it doesn't fit guys. That's funny. So this is the first time that I'm trying. Definitely, of course, a lipstick would fit in. Yes. Lip gloss. So lipstick and lip gloss, definitely it fits in. And then of course maybe, so let us try my oil blotter film. So let me see. Okay, so the film actually can fit inside. Yeah, so maybe let me just remove, make it a little bit thinner. Yeah, so the card, oh no, sorry, not the card holder, but the oil control film could fit in. Let me put in my lipstick. So lipstick, yes, it still fits. Let me add the lip gloss. Actually, I don't use lip gloss whenever I'm going out, so that is not going in. Then maybe, you know, my headache medicine, because sometimes, of course, we need to be prepared. So, let me just see if I could just put it anywhere here. So, yes, so I have slipped it inside this one, the zippered compartment, and it fits. So I have my medicine kit here. I think this could fit if, for example, I would not be putting my lipstick. So that's how I am planning to use this one as an added storage for my bag whenever I'm carrying. So as you can see, definitely my keys would fit inside the Tabby 12. Regardless, I know this is, you know, like a bag that may not be able to fit as much as I think it would be, but I think I find her still really cute. Alright guys, I think if you are going to ask me now, knowing that it could not fit as much as I thought it would I still recommend the Tabby 12 to you guys? Personally, I would still recommend, yes, definitely, because the other micro bag that I have that is the same size as this, which is my Fendi Baguette, I would do a separate comparison, plus maybe I would do a separate vlog of all my micro bag and micro bag charms, so that I would do a comparison. So this is the same size of that one, and that one costs times 2 of this one. So this is, you know, a lot more affordable, and she's definitely really giving me cuteness overload. And just look how cute this Tabby bag, it gives, you know, it dresses it up. Honestly, it gives me so much joy, and it just makes this bag really pop. So definitely guys, I would still recommend that you get your Tabby 12. So aside as a bag charm, definitely you have added cuteness to your bag. That is now such a huge trend, and of course as an added accessory. And of course, as we know, the Tabbies are the iconic lines of Coach. Yay! So guys, what do you think of my new bag charm, the Tabby 12? What do you think of her? So if you are going to be given a chance, would you add this to your collection? And I would also love to hear from you if you already have a Tabby 12 or any of the size 12, may it be the Studio 12 or any of the micro bags from Coach. How do you feel about them? How do you use them? What micro bags from Coach do you recommend? Kindly comment down below, because honestly, this is not the last Tabby 12 that I'm getting. I'm planning to get more because I really do love micro bags. Yay! So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, guys, you know the drill. Kindly leave me a letter C emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one, guys, so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing for today. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!